why I stand up tall, cause I'm still here to make my name. Let's go for a ride down Main. Ain't a thing gonna change. Alright guys, up next, 1948 Chevy 3100 pickup. This one here, 350 up under the hood, power steering, power brakes. Looks like we have got AC as well. This is a beautiful red truck with a white top. Aftermarket set of wheels, disc brakes in the front, drum in the rear. You got a custom seat, you got a custom bed, and you got custom floors in this old pickup. Upgraded the shifter as well, aftermarket Grant GT steering wheel. Throughout this video, I'll be going over any kind of issues. Chip scratches, rust, dents at the very end, dual exhaust out the back. But first, we'll be test driving it, taking it down the road, see if we can find any problems. Be sure to hit subscribe, hit that like button, share. It's about that time. Let's go for a ride. All right, off in the cab of this pickup truck. Place your bets. Does the Grant GT steering wheel honk? I have no clue. Look at the mileage. Does start up good. Got that cold AC. Looking across the dash. We do have gas. We don't have to stop and get that. And engine temperature is not up, and the battery's way overcharging. But I think the gauges just broke. Looks like we got a ton of oil pressure too, but I don't know if that's actually working correct. Wipers, they do work, so if it's raining, hopefully it don't rain too hard because they don't go much faster than that. And then turn signals, they're non-existent on the dash, but that doesn't mean they're not working on the outside. Look like we had some upgraded LED conversions there. Got the chrome steering column all the way down with a tilt wheel. What else we got? Nice little ashtray there. Hit the button. Does it pop out? No. Okay. We got some speakers, but I don't know where the radio is. It's got to be in here. Or maybe not. Maybe the radio is up here. Yeah, I don't have the face to it, but I'm sure it works. All right. The interior is not too bad. What about the horn? And then we're going to dig around and we're going to figure out where all the seat belts are, because they're pretty old school. These things been in here a while. You know, at first I thought they were gold. They're supposed to be black. They're just old. But seatbelt works, so that's good. Mr. Harper. I'll see you around, Mr. Harper. Anyways, so we're gonna take off down the road here, and anything I see I do point out for you. See what's going on with this old Chevy. Old Chevy. Man, it's a wonderful day. 81 today. I knew spring was coming. I told y'all the other day spring was coming. The groundhog was wrong. A little bit of a walk-in front end. It's just super tight. Speedo is working, but it's fast. We're going max 45. It says 65 right now. Throttle feels good though. If I let go of the steering wheel, it goes to the right. It's pulling to the right there. Shall I say pushing to the right. Might want to try some brakes. Oh, it was a seatbelt. That scared me. I thought the door was coming up. The seatbelt fell off. Definitely got the pep in the step, but the front end kind of weeble wobbles a little bit when you do it. Engine temperature's coming up on the dash. That's a good sign. Shifting out very well. Suspension in the back is kind of loud, a little noisy back there. I know that guy. pull into this parking lot. We'll get some outside shots and light up the undercarriage. Everybody's out cruising today. I can't say who it was, but we just passed the rock star. Hendersonville's full of them. There's all kinds of musicians here. I'm a musician too. I just didn't make it. I just make videos for a living. But I do write songs a lot. We already got plans to do that again tonight. Okay, guys. I'm gonna get some outside shots. I'm gonna go ahead and let this sucker go across the parking lot in neutral. We're gonna get a cool shot of that. Everybody always asks. That's how I do it. I do those intros like that. You push down on the door handle. It needs to be tightened up. It's kind of slipping on the little gears there. She sounds good. Let's keep rolling. Yep, it's been pretty good so far. I've been watching the engine temperature climb up. It's about 190 now, and that's fine. Worst thing about this truck that I've noticed, the suspension is so bumpy. Watch this. We'll hit this bump here. It's like the back suspension just doesn't do a whole lot. It does for sure, but here's a nice little bump here in the parking lot. We're going pretty slow too. You hear it in the back? Maybe I can cut off the AC so you can hear it. There's a bumpy side over here. Oh yeah. Just stiff. There you go. Real bumpy. Alright. We're gonna go ahead and pull out here and head on down the road. Yeah, that's the suspension in the back there. Real stiff. This one also is more of an in-town cruiser truck. It's not something you want to jump up on the interstate and do 80. I mean, you could get up on the interstate, but you're probably only going to be cruising around 70 miles an hour. It says we're going 70 now, but we were only doing about 40. And I've been out here 30, 45 minutes riding around. This thing's done decent about staying cool. Like I said, the only thing I've noticed is this rear suspension is so bumpy. Look. Woo! Might want to do something about that. Might change out the rear shocks or something. I don't know. Put something on there. Of course, when I get my suspension work done, I just go down to Brian's Motorsports. He hooks me up, tells me what I need. We're gonna pull back into Maple Motors now. If you haven't already, hit subscribe, hit that like button. I got more test drives to do. I'm gonna go in here and pick out another one. Thanks. All right, I've got her spread wide open, guys. We're gonna be walking around this looking for any kind of issues, any kind of rust, bondo, chip scratches, imperfections will be pointed out right now. Let's get started. Coming around the front end, we've got some scuffs on that front bumper there. Light chips. Grill looks pretty good. Little chips. Little crack around that fender. Headlights look good. Shut there. Little scuff here over the fender well. And around the back, thick on the paint there. Midsection, scratch. Got some bubbles popping up here on the fender well. Let's see. There we go. Door's hanging a little bit at the bottom. Over the top, you got a little scuff here. Scratch there, chip. A couple chips under the hood here. Touch up mark. You've got a little bit of paint chip in there around the top of that window. The roof on this one's looking pretty good. Can't really see in the dead center, but I got y'all up there. Little chips on the side. Looking down in the bed here. Got a little clear coat kind of peeling off of the wood. But other than that, it actually looks decent. Coming up to the tailgate. On the back, they have relocated the gas cap to the back here. Your tail lights a little bit foggy. A little bit of pitting going on. Dual exhaust out the back. Little chips. Get it down this side. I guess the other side didn't really have imperfections. There's just little spots that are supposed to be there. A little scratch, chip. Shut this door too. So the door's kind of sitting out a little bit. Chip here at the bottom. Little bubbles in the paint there on the side. Cracks here. See some spots. Cracks on this side around that fender. Back here midsection. Little scuff in the back. Cracks. Scuff here. On top of the bed rails as well. Back of the cab's got a nice little bubble popping up. A little bit of pitting on the handle there. Dings popping up. Chips. Little bubbles. Front windshield looks great on both sides. Top of that fender's looking pretty good. Let's check out the interior. Door panel on this one. Okay. Little scuff in the middle of it. Seal's been redone around the edges. A lot of extra glue. Scratch at the bottom. I like the wood floor. I think it looks pretty slick. The radio up top. AC's blowing cold. That's right. Up front. Chips around the nose of the hood. Coming down with it. Might have to give her a good old Chevy slam. There we go. Hey guys, if you don't mind, hit that subscribe button, also share. Look at the 100 detailed pictures we provide. Ask questions, we'll send you answers. I do appreciate it. I'll see you in the next one.